As a training manager, you can easily enroll users and create and manage curriculum using the network's online catalog. In this video, we will show you how to manage enrollment, track individual learner progress, and gauge the effectiveness of your curriculum through reports. If you haven't already, register with the network. Contact the network and request training manager access. Send your enrollee list in the following format to Marcos Molina or Renee Hernandez. The network staff will add your list of enrollees to our system, assign each user a login and password, and create a group name for your users. Once you receive an email from the network staff with your group name, you can create your curriculum. A wizard guides you through the main steps of creating a curriculum, such as entering curriculum information and selecting courses for the curriculum. After you create a curriculum, you can complete additional tasks, such as adding your group and sending reminders. To build a curriculum, click Create New and then the Curriculum button. The first page of the new curriculum wizard lets you enter details, such as descriptive summary information and start and end dates about the curriculum. You must enter a curriculum name, but all other fields are optional. The custom URL box displays the first part of the URL that users click to access the curriculum. You can leave the box blank to have Adobe Connect generate a system URL or enter a custom URL in the box. For example, you can enter a word that describes the curriculum. Because some common URL paths might already be in use, we suggest including your name in the custom URL. After you enter curriculum information in the new curriculum wizard and click Next, a page appears that lets you add items to the curriculum. You can add content from the network's content library to your curriculum. Content added to a curriculum is now automatically converted to a course so it can be tracked accurately. To add content to your curriculum, click the Add Content button. Next, click the Shared Content tab to browse the network's catalog. Our resources are organized by folders and subfolders. Once you've found a resource to add, click the checkbox and click Add. You can repeat these steps until you've added all the resources you want in the curriculum. You will receive a notice indicating tracking is now enabled. Click the Add button. After adding content, you can change the order of items by clicking the checkbox and then clicking the up or down button. You also have the option to remove any items. When you are finished, click Next. Click Finish to complete the new curriculum. Once completed, you can modify curriculum information and accomplish the following tasks, such as adding enrollees, adding prerequisites, add test outs, and sending notifications and reminders. This is the curriculum summary page. Now let's add users to our curriculum. Click the Manage Enrollees link. Next, located at the left under Available Users and Groups, scroll or search to find the group name. Select the group and click the Add button. Let's go back to the curriculum summary page by clicking the curriculum information link. If we need to make changes to the curriculum, we can do that by clicking the Edit button and update information such as name, ID, the summary, and start and end dates. Let's add a summary to this curriculum. Next, click the Save button. If you would like to reorder the content for your curriculum, you can do that by clicking the checkbox and clicking the up or down button. If you would like to organize your content by folders, you can do that by clicking the Add Item button. Next, click the New Folder link, name your folder, and click Save. Select the content you want to move to this folder by clicking the checkbox and then click the Move button. Click the folder you created and click the Move button. You will receive a notice indicating that you will have to reset any completion requirements and test outs. Click OK. By default, the content you added to this curriculum is set to Required. To change this, click the Edit button under the Completion Requirements section. Find the item and from the drop-down menu, select Optional. Click the Save button when you're finished. Assigning prerequisites enforces learner access to items in a specific sequence. To set a prerequisite, click the Items link. Click the Edit button under Prerequisites, find the item you would like to require, and from the drop-down menu, select Required, and then click the Save button. You can design the curriculum so that enrollees are not required to take an item if they pass a related test out item. To set a test out, click the items link and then click the edit button under test outs. Find the item that you would like to set a test out for, and from the drop-down menu, select optional, meaning if the enrollee passes the test out item, this item is no longer required to complete the curriculum. You can set up notifications to let people know they've been enrolled. You can also set up reminders, and those reminders can be repeated either daily, weekly, even yearly. You can also decide to send those notifications and reminders to everybody who has been enrolled or only those who have not taken or failed the curriculum so far. To return to the curriculum information page, click the curriculum information link. Here you can track the progress of all your students through the curriculum. The summary page gives you some basic information like how many users have completed the curriculum based on how many have been enrolled. The real value, though, comes with these two sections here, by users and by item. When you click the By Users tab, you can see how each of your students enrolled in this curriculum are progressing. The By Item tab allows you to see how individuals are answering specific questions. You can see by question how people are answering. You can also download or print any of these reports. Let's take a look at the end user experience. The student can access the curriculum by opening a browser with your curriculum's URL or the custom URL you created. In this example, we created a custom URL. The curriculum is made up of a number of courses. To take one of the courses in the curriculum, the user simply clicks the Open button beside the course name. The results of this quiz will automatically be tracked, and the results will be reported back to the training manager. The user can track his or her progress by following the legend at the bottom of the page.